What's up guys? We are from class 1B Electrical Engineering. When to make a mini water machine. Before entering the manufacture, we introduce ourselves. My name is Dandi Nur Salim.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal. My name is Rizky Juliansa.
My name is Tio Median.
And my name is Doni Kurniawan.
Just go ahead and see how to make the following material or tool. First one, use plastic. Number 2, glue. Number 3, dynamo. Number 4, battery. Number 5, hoses.
Okay, let's go. How to make? First, use plastic scissors like this. And keep cutting plastic parts like this. Pas to using glue on the plastic, glue and plastic that has been cut.
The hole in the middle of the plastic in the dynamo. Before it is activated, give a beast to 4.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'm a man. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love.
Glue the holes in the papers like this so that like come out after all in done. Please three more out or lot. Sorry, we end.
This is the work of art. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Through some injuries, mentally and physically, studied them religiously. So